Are you tired of those unwelcome guests lurking in your bed? Say goodbye to dust mites with the revolutionary Dust Mite Remover. Let's dive into its features. With an astonishing 8,000 hits per minute, it obliterates dust mites. The UVC sterilization ensures 99.99% mite removal, making your bed cleaner than ever. Its powerful 12,000 PA suction leaves no trace of dirt, bacteria, or mites. No more secondary contamination with HEPA-sealed filtration. Plus, you can wash and recycle the dust cup and filter element, keeping your environment pollution-free. It's time to choose padding, sterilization, and suction in one compact device. Say hello to a cleaner, healthier home with the wireless Mite Remover, the professional solution for your family. In the package, you'll find the vacuum Mite Remover and a USB charging cable. Versatile for power bank, desktop computer, tablet, or household socket use. Don't wait, get yours today. Link in the description. Please share and subscribe to help this channel.